Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how can you write any kinds of text message in bold, italic or strike through. Actually we love to chat in different modes and we want to send some text messages in different modes, right? So don't worry, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you write any kinds of text bold, italic or strike through. And before starting, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So first of all, you will have to go to your any kinds of WhatsApp messages or Messenger or anywhere else. So let me do it. Suppose I wanna send any kinds of letter bold. So for that, suppose I wanna type I love you, and here you can see I put the star in the first position, then I write I, and in the end you will have to put another star. Just press star and see the message, the text just bold. So just send it by this process. You can send it big text in bold mode. So let me show you. So before sending the big text in bold mode, just press the star and write the full text. Here I paste, and just press another star and see all kinds of text just bold. Just send it, and by this process you can send it any kinds of text message in bold mode. So let me show you how can you send the text in italic mode. So for that you will have to press the underscore first and press I need you, write it down, and again put the underscore here and see the text is just italic mode. So if you wanna send the big text in italic mode, that time the same process, just press the underscore and paste or write the big text and then underscore again, and see all the text in italic mode. So by this process you can write any kinds of text in italic mode. So let me show you how can you write any kinds of text in strike through. So for that you will have to put this sign and write the letter I want to talk to you, and press the sign again and see the letter is just crossing. So if you want to send big text, that time the same process, just press this icon and paste any word or write any word and then write this sign, and see all the text is just a strike through. So by these three process you can write any kinds of text in bold mode and in italic mode and in strike through. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like and to subscribe.